Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for some earrings that will elevate any outfit you wear them with? I want to show you these right here. These are from Tammy, and these are a beautiful set of 14 karat gold filled earrings, and I love them. I've been so happy with these earrings, and let me tell you, these go with everything. These are a minimal, sort of simple design. I chose the love knot design, so it has these several circles sort of intertwined together, and I think that they're just timeless and very classic, and these are gonna stand the test of time and be something that doesn't just go in and out of trend because they have that very classic look to them. I chose these in a leverback design, but you can also get them in a regular dangle. And there are also so many other designs to choose from. And all of the jewelry from Tammy is handcrafted. And when I say that it's handcrafted, you can really see that there's a lot of love and care that goes into each of these pieces. They're really well made and they're just absolutely beautiful. These would make an awesome gift for somebody. Not only are they beautiful, of course, they come packaged super well, already in a gift box and ready to go. And I can't think of any girl who would not love to receive these earrings. So if you're looking for a pair of elegant and classically designed earrings that are going to bring joy to your face and also to your outfit, then I would definitely check out these earrings from Tammy and the other designs available. They're absolutely gorgeous, and that's my point of view.